I gave you my heart.
The king showed him the grain, but the old man could hardly He took it, however, and felt it with his hands. The king questioned him, saying, Can you tell us, old man, where such grain as this grew? Have you ever bought such corn or sown such in your field? Now the king took the grain in his hand and he showed it to the farmer and asked him that, Have you ever seen this type of grain or grew it? Now, have you ever bought such corn or sown in such a field? Now the king has been asking the farmer that, Have you brought such corn or sown in your field? The old man was so deaf that he could hardly hear what the king said and only understood with great difficulty. And the old man was he is very old and he was deaf also, and he was unable to hear what the king was saying. Very difficulty he had heard the words what the king was saying. No, he answered at last, I never sowed nor reaped any like it in my field, nor did I ever buy any such. When we bought corn, the grains were always as small as they are now. But you might ask my father, he may have heard where such grain grew. So the king sent for the old man's father. He was found and brought before the king. He came walking with one crutch. The king showed him the grain, and the old peasant, who was still able to see, took a good look at it. And the king asked him, Can you not tell us, old man, where corn like this used to grow? Have you ever bought any like it or sown any in your field? Now the son told that you can call my father, and the king sent the some of his minister or servant to his home to bring him, and they brought him, and he came on his one crutch. And the king showed the grain to the peasant and asked him that, have you ever seen this type of grain? Have you ever bought it or sown it in any of your field? Though the old man was rather hard of hearing, he could still hear better than his son had done. Now the old man was he was not so deaf as his son, but he could hear better than his son. No, he said, I never sowed nor reap any grain like this in my field. As to I never bought any, for in my time money was not in use. Everyone grew his own corn, and when there was any need, we shared with one another. I do not know where corn like this grew. Ours was larger and yielded more flour than present day grain, but I never saw any like this. I have, however, heard my father say that this is in his time the grain grew larger and yielded more flour than ours. You had better ask him. Now the king was repeatedly asking this man that, have you ever seen or grown or bought? And he said, no, I have never bought it nor sown in my field. You can ask, I have heard my father saying that in his time this type of grain was grown and it yielded more flour than today. So it's better you can call my father and you can ask him. So the king sent for his old man's father, and they found him too, and brought him before the king. He entered walking easily and without crutches. His eyes were clear, his hearing good, and he spoke distinctly. Now the king brought his father, and they brought him. And as he entered the king's room, he was well walking and no crutches, and he can see clearly also and heard nicely. Okay children, this is for today, and in the next class I will give the rest of the explanation. Be happy and be safe.
I gave you my heart.